Yeah, may gusto namang may bagong gusto pong umextra sa ating vlogging. No other than Hunter. Hello guys, and welcome back to my channel. Yeah, may gusto namang may bagong gusto pong umextra sa ating vlogging. No other than Hunter. Hunter is actually the son of Atom. Yeah. Again, my name is Bonnie and I'm gonna do another unboxing for you guys. And this one, kasi last unboxing ko, it was the gadget that I used for vlogging. Pero hindi ko siya magamit yung kasi lupat. But what we're gonna unbox today is something that I bought from a friend. It's a Kate Spade sneakers. Yes, I bought it yesterday. I actually saw it sa story ng friend ko. Na kasi she's into selling imported bags and shoes from the US and then siniship nila dito. So yun, so sabi ko, sige, I'm gonna buy that. So kanina, dineliver niya sa akin. So, i-unbox natin siya. Kung gusto niya siya yung mag-unbox eh. So Hunter, you're gonna help me out. So dito ka. Yan. Diyan. Diyan. Yan. You're gonna help me unbox. So now we're gonna open this Kate Spade Sneakers. Kasi shape lang siya. In-sprayan ko na to ng alcohol to make sure. Sabi kasi sa akin ng friend ko, sprayan mo kasi to ensure lang na safe and okay yung, alam nyo na ngayon na yung pandemya, yung umu-order tayo, diba? So dapat yung sprayan pa rin natin to make sure na free of mga virus siya. So, yun. So, lagyan natin dito para hindi makain ni Hunter. Kasi, si Hunter mahilig siyang mahilig siyang umiksena. This is the box of the Kate Spade shoes. So, I actually unboxed a Kate Spade shoes pero under kids kasi. So, but this one is direct Kate Spade New York. So, let's open it up and see kung fit and kung maganda nga siya katulad ng nakita ko sa my story ni Via. Let's unbox it. So, paano ba? Tadan! Okay, so, ito yung cover. Okay, so, may ganito siya. So, ayan. Oh, yeah. I think it's nice and cute. So, I'll show you guys. Yan. So, let's see. Let's scrutinize the shoes. So, like, I like white sneakers kasi talaga ever since parang I feel comfortable wearing white sneakers. I could wear it with jeans, skirt. Minsan lang naman ako mag-skirt, but yeah, you can wear it with skirt and all. But the thing I like about this design when I saw it dun sa my story niya is yung dots nung design. Ang ganda. So, here I'm gonna show you now. Ta-da! What do you think, guys? Ganda, diba? Just like, God, I think it's super chic. Like, I like ito, this is what I want. Ito yung nakita ko to, sabi ko, shocks, I want that shoes. Tapos ito, ngayon ko lang to nakita kasi hindi ako sinenda ng picture ni Via na nakagalito. Ito yung gusto ko makita and I like it. Like, okay. Diba? Ang layo ko sa camera. Yan. Sige, lapit ako ng konti. Pero mabigat kasi ito eh. This is, by the way, a table that ginawa lang namin dito. It's, rustic effect. Kenneth. So, this is the shoes. Ayan. Ganda ba? Side view natin siya. Yan. So, ay, walang pair. Charot. Eto yan. It's nice. And I like the style of this. Okay. Check it out, guys. So what do you think there? It's nice, no? Yeah. So this will be comfy. Ito yung pinaka... Oh, natanggal. Ayan siya. So, Kate Spade. So, let's see. Baba muna natin. By the way, hindi ko pala pinakita ano. I'll show you guys. At yung pinaka-modern. Okay, so ito yung stock and style and everything. Kailangan mo. And everything. Yan, Fez Action Napa Cow. K3196. White dog, ang tawag sa kanya. SBQ black. And size 6B. Oh. Yeah, the last time na may binili ako na white sneakers was kids under Kate Spade for kids. Parang ganun. I ordered size 6 and fit siya sa akin. So I'm not sure with this one, but of course, I'm gonna try it today and show you guys. So, but I don't have a sock. So, tanggalin natin. Tignan natin yung kaloob-looban niya. Ayan. Kaloob-looban niya. Yeah. Ayan. See, guys. If there's one thing I love about it is the design, of course. This one. This got me to say yes. Because I like dotted designs. So whether it's a shirt, it's a jeans. Okay, try natin. Okay. In terms of the size, the one that I ordered from Zalora, yung it's just fit me, right? Pero ito, medyo maluwang siya. Yeah, I think it's comfy. It's comfy naman siya. And, siguro, ano lang, dagdag ka lang ng medyo. Sorry si Bert kasi. So, Daddy, thank you nga pala for buying me the shoes. So, there. Take it dyan. And then, so, there you go. No, I don't like the design. I actually love the design. It's so minimalist. Yung dotted design niya, it gives the shoe a personality. Wow, talaga, personality. No, I mean, it gives the sneakers parang, it makes the shoes or the sneakers stand out with the design na may dot. So, sa design, it's 10 out of 10. Sa pagka-fit niya sa akin, it's 7/10. But definitely, of course, I'm gonna wear this when I go out tomorrow because I have an appointment that I need to go to. So, pipili lang ako ng choice ng outfit. Siguro kahit pure black ka lang. And then with these shoes, it's wapak. So, there you go. If you like what you've seen today on my vlog, and enjoy nyo naman yung ating unboxing kahit mabilis lang. If this is your first time watching my channel, please do subscribe so that you can see more unboxing items na nabibili ko online. So anyway, again, my name is Bonnie Garing and thank you for watching. Bye!